The Double Forklift Boom is an outstanding attachment for removing bundles of marble and granite slabs. A connection bar connecting the two booms allows the distance between the two forks to be adjusted to suit different slab bundle sizes, and it can be changed the space from 300 to 1300 mm, 11.8 to 51.2 inches. Remove the hexagon pins out and loose the two bolts. The fork blades can be attached tightly to the bases. Then you screw the pins and the bolts firmly. The sliding hooks are designed to be flexible for sliding on the sliding bars easily and that they cannot be pulled all the way out. The sliding bars can be extended by 1,700 mm, 66.9 inches, making the Double Forklift Boom a total length of 4,830 mm. This attachment can support a load capacity of up to 5,000 kilograms, 11,023 pounds.